Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, you guys, I am going to show you the top 3 websites where you are able to put your digital products on so your digital products can go ahead and explode, so that your digital products can go ahead and retire you, because gone are the days we are going to be working for money. When I tell you that rich girls don't work, I absolutely mean that rich girls do not work, okay? So I am going to show you the exact 3 websites that I was able to use that I have my digital products on, and you guys, my business has exploded, and I know that it will do that for you as well. As you guys already know, I made over $188,000 just last month with these digital products, which is the debt and the budget tracker, you guys, and they are included within the course. The course will be linked below, you guys. Make sure that you get those products and put them on these sites, okay? And like I told you guys before, these are done for you digital products where you do none of the work. The only thing that you're going to be doing, you guys, is literally posting and putting these products onto these websites so that your business can grow. When I tell you guys I have given you guys a business in a box, I absolutely mean it. So with the course, you guys, there are going to be your digital products. These are pre-made for you. And like I told you guys before, these are done for you digital products. They're already finished. They're already done. The only thing that you have to do is put them onto these 3 websites so that you're able to explode your business. You're also going to get, you guys, your content. Over 2,000 pieces of content. This is the same content that I use in my business, you guys. And like I told you guys, I am not a gatekeeper, okay? I literally want every one of us to go ahead and to be able to free ourselves, go ahead and live in God's grace, because when I tell you guys that this was a divine blessing for me, I literally prayed for these things to happen in my life. Right now, you guys, I am on vacation. I'm on vacation for actually a month, you guys. I could have never done it without this business. And like I said, this is such a divine business that I prayed for this and God answered my prayer. And you guys, I am not afraid to share with you all of my secrets. I am not afraid to show you guys really how to do it, because I want you to live your best life. I want you to do everything that you want to do in life. I want you to go as far as you can, okay? So I am sharing with you all of my secrets, all of my tips, all of my tricks, everything. But let's get back to the course, because in the course, you guys, you have over 2,000 pieces of content. And that content, you guys, is the content that's going to allow you to go absolutely viral, okay? Because what we're doing, you guys, is putting attention onto our products, you guys, so that they purchase and your customers purchase and they ultimately buy the product. But if they cannot find the product, you guys, then what is the point? So in this video, you are going to get all 3 of the websites that I use, you guys. And like I said, these websites, they are all-star websites where you can put your digital products on and basically let them draw in and attract your customers. Because like I told you guys before, we are not chasing down customers. This is not what this channel is about. We are attractors. So that is what we're going to do, okay? Before we get into the video, you guys, you know, I love my shout outs of the day and I love my inspirations of the day. I want to give a big shout out, you guys, to Daniel. Y'all, I got an email from Daniel, and Daniel was literally able to retire. He is now in retirement, you guys, and I am so happy that I am a part of that. I cannot wait to be a part of your journey as well, you guys, because I want you guys to be able to retire. I want you guys to be able to live your life. I want you guys to live your life to the fullest. Like I said, this business has been such a divine blessing for me that I want to continue to enrich and to bless you guys as well. And you guys, I want to say this, you guys, Daniel was able to use the Rich Girls Don't Work course, you guys. I also have a review from him on the checkout page to the Rich Girls Don't Work, you guys. He was able to use the Rich Girls Don't Work course, you guys, and he's able to retire. So big ups to Daniel, okay? And then, you guys, we have Miss Sylvia, and I love Miss Sylvia, you guys. She's a over 50 retiree who did not know anything about social media. She did not know anything about electronics, you guys. She emailed me and said, Sam, I'm literally living social security check to social security check and I need some help. And you guys, she was able to get into class. She was able to go ahead and she literally, you guys, just hit her $2,000 mark, you guys. So I am so proud of you, Miss Sylvia. Keep on going. And like I said, you guys, this can happen for you. You have to walk out on your faith and do not fear, okay? So in this, you guys, and that leads us into our inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day, you guys, I will walk out on my faith and I will not fear, okay? So you guys, write the inspiration of the day in the comment section, like, share, subscribe, and you guys go get that Rich Girls Don't Work course, you guys. I am so excited for every single one of you guys who is able to retire literally on your own terms using the digital products that I have given you guys and using the course to learn how to set up your faceless channel so that your faceless channel can be your cash cow, okay? Your faceless channel is literally your ticket to freedom. So I am so happy that you guys are enjoying the Rich Girls Don't Work, you guys. And next week, well, this week, you guys, the community will be up, and those accountability groups that I was telling you guys about, that will be up as well. I am so excited for everything that is going on for our community. Make sure, if you have not picked up the Rich Girls Don't Work, make sure you pick up that course, you guys, and your trainings are absolutely free. Sam is going to help you guys to go ahead and to really learn how to do this. When I tell you guys, I walk you through from point step A to point step B, okay? We gotta get this together, and I love you guys. I love you, I love you, I love you. I wish that I could put my arms around you guys and tell you how good it is going to be when you start your journey, and I'm so happy to be the one that is starting the journey with you. So let's go out there and let's get this money, okay? All right, you guys, so let's get right into the video. Like I said, it's 3 websites that I suggest all beginners to use. And like I said, with the Rich Girls Don't Work course, you guys, you can start this off with 0 followers. You do not need a huge following count. You don't need anything but the Rich Girls Don't Work course and some good old-fashioned work, okay? Good old-fashioned work. Even though we don't work, we do think, okay? So all I need you to do is bring that enthusiasm to the training, you guys, and let's make this money, okay? All right, you guys, so let's get right into the video. I am going to show you the 3 websites that I use to go ahead and flip and make all the money that I need to. So you guys, come along. All right, you guys, so first we're going to start off with the 280 done for you digital products. These are the digital products that you are going to put on these sites so that you can make tons of money and literally explode your digital business, you guys. So the first product that I definitely suggest having is the budget tracker, okay? Because on my channels, I make debt and budget-based content, you guys, and it's faceless, okay? So like I was telling you guys, you want to pick out some really good digital products, and that is going to be your base. These particular digital products, you guys, are included within the Rich Girls Don't Work, and the link to that is going to be below, you guys. But like I was telling you guys, these digital debt and budget trackers, these are the ones that you're able to put on these 3 sites. So I am going to tell you, this budget planner and this debt tracker, you guys, guys, are my top selling, really my only products, you guys. And like I said, I made over $188,000 off of just these 2 products. So this is what you're going to do. So this debt tracker, you guys, well, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the budget tracker. With your budget tracker, all you have to do is click the budget tracker, click upload new design, and like I tell you guys, it's super simple, super easy. You can literally have your products on these 2 websites, you guys, and be done with it. Okay, like I told you guys before, what you're going to do with this is you are going to rebrand this for your own business. And when you rebrand it, basically all you're doing is changing the cover. Okay, that's the only thing that you're going to be doing, is changing the cover of this. So you're going to type in ebook covers, you guys, pick a really nice ebook cover, and like I told you guys, it's simple, it's easy. Put your picture in here, you guys, and boom. You know what, let me just walk you through it since I'm here. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your picture, you're going to put your picture in there, you guys. And like I said, it does not matter if you have a professional picture or if you have just a picture outside of somewhere really nice. Use it, okay? Do it, all right? So all you're going to do is drop down to your picture, you guys, and you're going to put your picture in there, you guys. And once you put your picture in there, you're going to change up the wording just a little bit, you guys. You don't have to change the fonts or anything like that, but you put it to how you would like it to be. So what I am going to do is just change the picture for this, you guys. That's the only thing that I am going to do. Boom, the picture is changed. We're not going to spend a lot of time on that, you guys. What we're going to do is we are going to press share. Then, you guys, we are going to go right in here to template link. So you're going to copy it as a template link, okay? Once you copy it as a template link, then let's go to the 3 websites, okay? So go to create template link, and next, you guys, we are going to go right up here to the first website, which is it is going to be Pinterest. So Pinterest is one of the websites, you guys. I'm not going to say it's the best because I have 2 others that are going to shock you guys. So we're going to go right over here to Pinterest, you guys, and we are going to put this right into our Pinterest. So what we're going to do, you guys, we are going to go to, and as you guys can see, it should be some orders up there already, okay? So all you're gonna do is load this into your Pinterest account, you guys, and boom, you are done. All you're gonna do is create the content, and the content that I give you guys is absolutely amazing. Create the content. In fact, you know what? I will show you guys the content that you're going to put up here. There's so much faceless content on here, you guys, that you can literally put your stuff up because people are used to faceless content nowadays. So you're going to put your products up there and just let them go, okay? The next website that we're going to choose, you guys, is going to be number 2, you guys. Number 2 is going to be TikTok. Yes, it is going to be TikTok. So TikTok is another really great platform that you can use, and I'm going to go on record. Do not put this under a business account, because if you put it under the business account, you guys, you are not going to get the benefits of having music in your background. They're going to ask for licensing, you guys, and it's going to be a mess. But you guys, what I am going to suggest, hold on. But what I am going to suggest to you guys is go into the budgeting niche and put your products up there along with all the hashtags. And like I told you guys, in the course, I go super in depth about what hashtags to use, what you can do to start from 0 with no followers, you guys. Absolutely no followers. You do not need a lot of followers to do this, you guys. You can do it really simple, really easily, okay? So after you have put this into TikTok, literally put your faceless content out there. And I am going to show you the faceless content that I am talking about that is going to attract buyers onto your TikTok page, into your Pinterest page. So let me go right on over to that content. So as you guys can see, I have this already preloaded and ready for you guys to start using it from literally day one. When I tell you guys I built a business in a box for you guys, I literally built a business in a box. Okay, I'm so excited because these are the same ones that I use in my business every single day. Okay, and this content allows the buyers, you guys, to come over to your site and to purchase from you. This is like the hook. This is the reel that is going to get them in. That's why they call it reels. Okay, so you guys, you're gonna have your content. There are over 800 pieces of content in this one just package, you guys, but I have went further because I have so much more content, you guys, and I post literally only twice, maybe 3 times a day from this content, you guys, and literally I made over $188,000 doing this. So when I tell you guys it's simple, it is easy, it's chef's kiss. It does not matter if you are male, female, student, retiree, it does not matter. You can really get into this and start making money from it immediately, because like I tell you guys, this is faceless content. Okay, everybody is used to faceless content. These are faceless channels that we are running, you guys, and your faceless channel, you guys, it is, no one has to know as you. It has so many benefits, so much privacy for you and your family, you guys, that you can run these from anywhere in the world. Okay, so let's go to the last website, and this is the best website that you are going to be able to sell your digital products on. So let's get to it. So the last website, you guys, is going to be Stan Store. When I tell you that I love Stan Store so much of my money has been made right here on the Stan Store. To be honest, this is where you should be posting all of your products. So we're going to go right over here to digital products. This is where you're going to put your debt and your budget tracker. You are going to put this as a debt tracker and as a budget tracker. So you should have 2 completely separate products, you guys. And you remember that template link that we did in Canva? Yes, this one right here. What we're going to do is we are going to put that same template link right here in Stan Store. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to redirect to URL, and boom, we are going to put this template link in there, right? It is going to say who's ever budget tracker. It does not matter what you call this, but call it money. Okay, call it money. All right, so after you guys do that, you're gonna fill this out, and in the Rich Girls Don't Work, I tell you guys and I show you guys how to fill this out, because this is the absolutely most important part of doing this. Okay, because if you don't get this right, your clients are not going to purchase it, and that's not what we're here for. We're here to allow them to purchase these products. So you guys, that is the 3 websites that have literally skyrocketed my business to $188,000 just last month, you guys. And I love sharing this with you guys, but I would love more to see you guys in person. So if you are a retiree, if you're just sick and tired of the 9 to 5, come join the Rich Girls Don't Work, because that is exactly what we don't do. Okay, so you guys, join the Rich Girls Don't Work. Get the link for the course below. Go get that course, you guys. Start. Don't be scared to start. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video, and I hope to see you guys at the free training on Friday, you guys. See you guys. Bye. And the training is absolutely free with the course, so there is no reason why you should not be at that training. See you guys. Love you. Bye. Finally.